Uh, Expectations still remains the same. To try our possible best to achieve our goals. And I think we all know our goals, so I'm also expecting us to do it. And the pressure part is part of the game. You can't take it out of the game. And playing for a country like Nigeria, it definitely comes with lots of pressure. So I'm thankful to God that I'm being able to absorb all of them and try to give my best. The fans should always, the nation in fact, should always expect us, the players, giving our best. It's not going to change against Ivory Coast. We're going to do the same. We're going to try to get the results that we need. And I think also we want to go far. Personally, for me, my aspirations is to win against Ivory Coast, to win each game at a time and to get to the finals, God's willing. So that's it.
Yeah, it's a great experience for me, and I would say I'm grateful for the honor, and I'm grateful for the privilege to be the only one here. Me being the only one doesn't, I'm just here alone, as in physically. But I think spiritually and otherwise, my people at home too are also here with me. So me representing them here is a privilege to which I feel very grateful for, and I believe every other player in my shoes too will feel the same thing. Yeah, for night, the atmosphere in the camp has been good and marvelous. We have been training, and like yesterday we had our first training session after the first match. We talked to ourselves. We have had a series of meetings by talking to ourselves and for us to know what is at stake. And I believe everyone in the camp now is ready. Doesn't matter who we play or who will be representing us. Everybody is ready. And we know what is at stake. It's a match that we can't go and come out empty-handed. It's a must-win match for us, and I believe that whosoever will be representing us come on Thursday against Ivory Coast will give his all and see that, yeah, we come out good. All I need and I want from our people is not to give up on us. They should keep supporting them, praying for us, because that's what other countries too are doing to their people. So they should always believe in us that we can do it, and I know we'll do it. Yeah, well, I will say me be the captain. I always believe in grace. You understand? Being the captain of the team is a privilege, and I think my presence too will have gone a long way for them, because I know things that I do on my own to motivate the teams to see that, yeah, we face each and every match and come out good. So I also believe that, yeah, every other person too can deliver with or without me. All we need is just togetherness and commitment and mother luck. You can play, and once the luck is not there, I will use sorry for going back to the Super Eagles, I will still go back and use them as an example. If we had won maybe 4-1 or 5-1 in our first match, all this pressure wouldn't have been there. You understand? It's just that luck that we need. So same thing too goes to the club. There's no how you play, no matter how you play, if the luck of winning is not there, you just see that at the end of the day, you couldn't get what you wanted. So I believe we can still, it's a gradual process and we'll end up well. Yeah, my advice for them, I would say, is an encouragement. They should keep on pushing. They should not pay mind to the last match they played that they lost. They should still believe in themselves that they can do it. It's possible, it's achievable. It's just the mindset and the determination. If you believe you can, then you will. It's only when you feel defeated that you will not get whatever you want. So I also urge the fans too to keep supporting them, because their support too will also go a long way. Me, I believe in support so much.
We're taking it game by game, so our full focus now is on Thursday's game against Côte d'Ivoire. We're putting our maximum focus on that, and we hope to execute the game plan to get the 3 points. To win. We are going to every game wanting to win, so does the rest of the team. And our ultimate goal in this competition is to lift the trophy at the end of the day. So that's what we're all here to fight for and to achieve. And I pray that becomes a reality.
I think it's always great to be part of the team for the AFCON. It's an amazing experience. I feel very privileged to be here again and to be part of the team. I think the team started off good, not great. I think the only thing missing was the result, but I think the performance overall, in my opinion, was a positive one. And now we have a big game on Thursday against Ivory Coast. We try to take those positive things and take that towards a better performance on Thursday to try and win against Ivory Coast. I don't think you can get much better than winning the AFCON, but yeah, no, it's like that. Last AFCON we beat Egypt in the first game in Cameroon, and they went to play in the final. Yeah, you know, like you said, in 2013 they had something similar, and they went on to win the tournament. So it's a long way to go. If we would have won the first game against Equatorial Guinea, we would be telling everyone to calm down and not to get too excited. And the same way now the other way round. Yeah, I think the performance was good, which is the positive. We just didn't get a result. But now we have 2 more games against Ivory Coast and against Guinea-Bissau to try and get 2 wins, and that's what we're going for.
For me, it's been a really good experience. Like you said, we didn't start how we wanted to, but I thought we played well. We just couldn't take our chances, I think. We just have to be a bit more clinical, and I'm sure that we will pull through. Already we know it's a must-win. Our aim is to win every single game we play in, of course. I wouldn't say we have to do much different. Well, we have to be a lot more clinical in the final third. But yeah, I'm sure it will come together. I've been watching the AFCON since I was a kid. To win the AFCON for my country that I'm from is an amazing feeling. It's truly an honor to play for Nigeria. So to win it would just be wonderful and amazing to me.
Yeah, the experience is good. Similar to 2013 when we didn't win, and it's the same thing. It's the same thing happening over again, but it's not a bad result for us. We dominated the game. We missed some chances, which that game could have easily ended up to 4-1 or something. But the game is gone, and the focus now is on the Ivory Coast game. And the team is actually ready. We're hyped. We're training good, and we are focused on the next game. We will go out there to give our best, to try to win the game, and hopefully luck and our effort will work for us, and we'll win the game. It's not easy out there. It's not an easy tournament. There's no small teams anymore, And the Ivorians also, they are aware of us. They know we have a good team, and the pressure is on them and not on us. So we have to go and give 100% to win.
Have like 2 days in between now and of course Thursday for the big one. It's nothing that they cannot come out of. It's time, I think, that the players need to do this for themselves. Most of them, save for only 2 or so, have won the AFCON. Few of them too are returning, but most of them are playing the AFCON for the very first time. Bright Osai, Samuel, Yusuf, who also came, Lukman, Olaino. Olaino was in the last one.
2019.
Yeah, so they need to do this for themselves. Let's do it again. Shouldn't be just a slogan. It really must. They must show that spirit, and we need to see it on the pitch of play. They might not have taken 3 points on the opening match day, but I think that this team has what it takes to overcome Côte d'Ivoire and eventually progress from this group.
For checking out SYMFONI on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.